What's up, everybody? It's Slater here, and we are at Wildrose Brewing. I'm here with owner Dave Deyoung. How you doing today?
Doing well, yourself?
Good, man. So we're here, we're talking about Restaurant Week coming up next week, correct? What do you got going on? What kind of specials are we going to be looking at?
Basically what we're going to do is we're going to do a house-smoked pastrami. One of our partners is from New York originally, and he misses the New York deli scene. So we're going to do a pastrami sandwich with house-made Russian dressing and house-made chips.
Dave's actually going to take me back in the kitchen and show me the ropes of what goes on here in the Wildrose kitchen. I have no real culinary expertise or background, so this should be a pretty good time, huh?
Absolutely. Take you back there, but no drinking on the job.
All right, well, can't make any promises, but let's go.
All right.
All right, so what are you going to have me do today?
I'm going to have you start on prep.
All right, well, let's do it.
No. Did you even wash your hands?
No.
Let's try something different. Let's see pour a beer.
I can do that.
Oh, no, not like that.
All right, ladies, I got your beers right here. Enjoy.
Right, since you can't do anything else, we're going to put you on dish duty.
I can do that. All right, well, I just finished up a full day of work here. I think I did pretty good. What about you?
Hey, you did okay, but we're not really hiring right now. We'll keep you in mind.
All right, well, works for me.